I'm on Quinnipiac Ave right now. It's not even wide enough for two cars to pass. So this guy had to back all the way up. I had to back up. Taking off again. Every street is just another nightmare. Come on. I'm gonna try going up this way, go back roads. Oh my God. People are walking everywhere, which is good. There's too many cars on the road. You see how I make out going to the left here. No, I'm not taking a chance. Look at that. Guys are nice enough to let me through. Well, let's see what this car does. Alright, I'm gonna stop videoing for a minute.